Me and Randy, sorry, are standing in my 1972 Chevelle. We're standing where a floorboard should be.
Used to be.
Used to be. Yeah. Because we found a lot of rust and improper repairs. We knew that it had some floors put in it and quarters and stuff like that, and we were really hopeful, naive, thinking that it was done right.
Yeah.
Here we are, rebuilding complete floors in this car. So I'm sorry, Randy.
And rockers. And rockers.
Inner rockers. Gotta fix the outer rocker. Once again, I say we like I'm good. I can't even look at him. I'm sorry, Randy. I can't make eye contact. But to be fair, I didn't do this shit. Somebody else did this. And
yeah.
We have to fix it.
Yeah. We.
So yeah, that's going back and redoing this whole floor, because this is like, we thought we were going to rebuild the floor from here back, like cover up the 4-link, wider tubs, notch cover. We originally wasn't even going to redo the trunk, but that kind of got turned into redoing the trunk area.
Yeah.
Which didn't take you too long.
No, it didn't seem too bad. Pretty straightforward on that part of it.
You and that little mouse that you got helping you, it works out really great in the back.
He comes in at night for me.
Double time.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, so now we're into this way deeper than we ever thought we was going to be. And that's why I keep apologizing to Randy and having a hard time looking him in the eye every time I walk into the shop. I'm just like, hey, Randy, good morning. How are you?
Just look away.
And then we got to redo the firewall.
Yeah, firewall's going to be part of it, too.
If you go that far, why are you going to keep that firewall?
Yeah.
Might as well redo that and just finish out the whole rest of the car like it should be done.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's just get phase 1 done underneath, and then we can worry about the cosmetics afterwards.
Yeah. For phase 2?
For phase 2.
Yeah.
That'll come later this year. So without further ado, I would like to apologize to Randy one more time. I'm sorry.
Made eye contact that time.
This is really good. That was genuine.
Yeah.
If I make eye contact. But I'm not apologizing for the work that was done here. I'm apologizing for buying this piece of shit and bringing it into this shop.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go hide in my office and think about what I've done.
Okay.
And slap my wrist and finish up my paperwork. And I'm gonna go search for a better car to buy that hopefully doesn't look like that. Sorry, Randy.
Okay, bye.
too.
Hey man, you're fucking this pig. We're just holding the tail.
Meh.
That's the end of the video right there. Okay. All right. So, you ready?